Hey man, my official Avid user certification course for Pro Tools is now enrolling again. That's right, you probably missed out on the first one because there are limited spaces available so that I can give one-on-one attention to every single student. If you're ready to really learn your DAW, stop fumbling around inside of Pro Tools and go ahead and get you a tangible credential that can prove your skills in the workplace and to your clients, this is what you need to do, man. Sign up right now. All the details are in the description below on how you can take a class with me to get Pro Tools certified. Don't wait. Just like the last term, this class will fill soon. If you are even considering getting your Pro Tools certification, there's no better way, not a funner way, not a cooler way to get certified than with your boy Wavy. Drop down in the description right now, click that link and register because you don't want to miss it again. Hey man, you want to record some acoustic guitar for a rock song, a pop song, a R&B? Maybe you just want to sample a little something, something. Well, me and Eric gonna show you how to get it done. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wavy.wav, and who we got here?
I'm Eric.
That's Eric from Wavy.wav, man. That's right, man. This is my man Eric. He be helping me out with all kind of stuff. Eric is gonna help us out with this video today because he is a guitar player, right? And you know, I be doing a lot of my own demonstrations, but I don't think y'all want me to demonstrate playing the guitar. But what I can help y'all with is a couple of simple steps to actually recording an acoustic guitar. So whatever you might be using this acoustic guitar recording for, like I said, it could be the main part in the song. It could be a rhythm or supporting part in the song. It could be something that you are recording just to sample and add to another beat or production that you're working on. All these techniques that I'm about to show you, it's only 3 simple steps. I'm about to show you this, and it's going to help you to get the best guitar recording sound, all right? First thing first, you have to use your ears. In all of recording, that's the main tool. That's the main piece of gear that you need is your ears, the ability to listen and discern what sounds good to you and what doesn't sound good to you. Also, you need to be thinking about what place or what role this recording that you're making is going to play in the overall record. So if the guitar is going to be the lead instrument in the song, then you would take one approach. If it's going to be some filler or just something to carry the rhythm through, you might take a different approach. Maybe if it's going to be the lead, you want more fullness and body and capture more low end. If you already got a bunch of low end, maybe you want the guitar to sound a little thinner. These might affect the way that you record the guitar. Now, of course, you can do some stuff in post once you get into the mix, but wouldn't it be better if you just recorded the sound that you wanted? Yeah, that's fact. While you're using your ears, one thing I like to do, especially if you're in the same room with the guitar, you need to find out how you want to place the microphone, because mic placement is one of the things. Actually, the 3 things I'm just gonna tell y'all now. Use your ears, only use one microphone, and place the microphone correctly. Those are 3 steps. Use your ears, use one mic, and place it correctly, okay? Now, we only gonna use one mic today because if you're using more than one mic, you start to introduce other problems like phase cancellation. And what we want to record is a good, strong guitar signal. Yes, there's some great stereo mic recordings that you could do, X, Y, you can do whatever you want to do, right? There's all types of ways you could do this, but there's other ways that you could also screw it up. Introducing another mic is going to probably complicate the recording a little bit, and you can get an amazing recording and a more simpler process of doing it just by using a single microphone. So we're going to start there, okay? And the 3rd step is mic placement. So to help with that and help with mic placement, I need to listen. I love to use my Wavy One headphones. I'm gonna be using these because they are noise canceling, right? Passively, this is going to cancel out 33.4 dB of the sound that's in this room. So as Eric is playing and I'm getting my levels together, I'm moving the mic around to find the tone that I want, I can cancel out a lot of what is happening in the room and actually hear what's coming from my recording system. So that is going to tremendously stop a lot of trial and error, especially for y'all who are recording in the same environment. Now, if you have an isolation booth, then that might not be an issue for you, and you have an intern, you can say, hey, move it to the left, move it to the right, but it'll be so much quicker for you to put on a pair of isolating headphones and move the mic around yourself during the sound check. So, Eric.
Yes, sir.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, so Eric is gonna go ahead and play a riff for us. I'm going to show y'all a couple of ways that we can move the microphone around to find that exact sweet spot. All right, y'all. So Eric is about to play something, and I'm gonna show y'all a few different ways that we can mic this, right? So some common ways that people will mic is to take the mic and put it right up on the sound hole of the acoustic guitar. When you do that, you're gonna get a lot of low end. Well, first of all, I should mention also that I'm using a cardioid microphone, a large diaphragm condenser cardioid pattern microphone. The specific microphone that I'm using is the Austrian Audio OC818, but you know, you can choose a mic that you like and that sounds good. Again, that goes back to using your ears, because the type of record that you're working on and the sound that you're going for could change the type of mic that you use. Maybe you're using a SM57 on this. That also works, okay? I just want to use this one for this particular recording. So again, if I'm too close to the sound hole, directly out the sound hole, a lot of that air is going to be rushing out of there, and you know we get the proximity effect whenever we're using a cardioid microphone. So the best thing to kind of limit that excessive low end is going to be to back away from the sound hole. Eric, let's play a little bit while I'm too close so we can hear it, and then I'm gonna back the mic away.
All right.
All right, so y'all can hear how when we get closer, we're picking up a lot more of those low frequencies, and when I back up, we get more of a full sound. Now, I could also choose to position the mic more toward the frets, right? By doing that, that will give me more of a high frequency sound and pick up more of the high and mid-range frequencies of the guitar. Let's try that. Thanks, Eric. So now y'all hear how having the microphone angled towards the fret of the guitar will actually increase the mid-range presence and the high frequency presence. Here's a little tip though, what we can do to get a more even and rounded sound. I'll place the microphone in line with the sound hole of the mic, but aim it toward the frets, okay? That way I'm getting a best of both worlds. I'm not getting all that energy rushing directly toward the mic, and I'm still getting some of that brightness coming from the frets. And I'm also gonna be sure to stay back from the guitar about 12 inches or more, at least. Hey man, if you love my YouTube channel, then you'll really love the Wavy Seals Elite. The Wavy Seals Elite is a membership group that offers you way more than you can get on YouTube. Not only do you get one-on-one communication with me at least once or twice a week through our live lessons, Q&As, but we also have multi-track practice sessions, 2-track practice sessions. I'll be bringing along other experts because I don't know everything. So every month we have monthly master classes where you get to learn from an expert in the field. We give each other feedback on mixes and help each other problem solve issues in the studio. As a member of the Wavy Seals Elite, you'll also get access to an amazing community of audio engineers and producers who are all learning and building with each other. There's 2 membership opportunities for the Wavy Seals Elite. You can choose monthly or annual membership. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level and really grow your career in audio production, the Wavy Seals Elite is what you're looking for. And I think that that is probably one of the best places to set the microphone to get a nice balanced sound. Eric, you're a guitar player. What do you think? What advice do you have to add on to that?
A lot of those are definitely really good techniques. I definitely think condensers is definitely the way to go when it comes to acoustic. You're doing electric, you can kind of actually go across the board with it, but most importantly, I'd say make sure your guitar player, has, first of all, change strings. You want to have them be as clean as possible in that sense. And most importantly, check your tuning, have them play a few times, and after like every couple takes, make sure that they're staying in tune, because that's what's gonna help make it sound good.
That's a fact, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm Wavy Wayne from WavyWayne.com. I hope you have really enjoyed this guitar miking tutorial. Man, if y'all want to see more like this, drop down in the comments to let me know. And if you got any other ways that you prefer to mic a acoustic guitar, let us know that too, man. It'd be fun to share our ideas. Be dope.